Every day, 87,000 seniors waste precious vacation time standing in unnecessary airport lines, simply because no one told them about the shortcuts hiding in plain sight. While you're shuffling through security for 45 minutes, watching younger travelers zip past, there's a secret network of senior-only pathways, express lanes, and VIP services designed specifically for travelers over 55. Today, I'm exposing 15 airport shortcuts that could slash an entire hour off your travel time. Wait until you see shortcut number 1. It's absolutely game-changing. Let's dive in. Number 15. Secret Senior Security Lanes. Most airports quietly operate senior priority lanes that cost you absolutely nothing. Federal regulations require airports to provide age accommodation services, including expedited security screening for travelers over 65. Walk directly to the TSA supervisor station and say, "I'm over 65 and would like to use the senior accommodation lane." 9 times out of 10, they'll escort you to a shorter line with dedicated agents. Pro tip: arrive during peak hours when these lanes are most likely operational, 6 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. But here's something even better than skipping security lines. Number 14. 30-second phone check-in. Call your airline exactly 24 hours before departure and request mobile check-in assistance. Agents walk you through the entire process, select your seats, and text your boarding pass directly to your phone. The magic phrase, "I need assistance with mobile check-in due to accessibility needs." This triggers priority customer service with shorter hold times. Pro tip: save the airline's customer service number as emergency travel help. You'll use it more than you think. Speaking of phone tricks that save massive time. Number 13. Beat every kiosk line. Airport information desks will print boarding passes for free if you explain you're having technical difficulties. Simply approach any airport information booth and say, "I'm having trouble with the mobile app. Could you help me print my boarding passes?" They have direct airline access and can print your passes in under 2 minutes, complete with any seat upgrades or special assistance notifications. Pro tip: screenshot your confirmation email before approaching. It speeds up the process dramatically. Now, let's talk about the ultimate bathroom strategy. Number 12. Master airport bathroom timing. Use facilities immediately after security while other passengers are still gathering belongings. The golden locations are bathrooms near airline lounges because they're cleaned more frequently and used by fewer people. Download your airport's app. Most include live bathroom availability and cleanliness ratings, updated by cleaning staff. Pro tip: airport bathrooms near coffee shops are cleaned every 30 minutes during peak hours. But what if you could skip walking entirely? Number 11. Free airport cart service. Every major airport offers complimentary motorized cart service for passengers over 65. Call your airline 24 hours before departure and request ground transportation assistance. The key phrase, "I need assistance navigating the terminal due to mobility concerns." For same-day requests, approach any gate agent. They can radio ground services immediately. Pro tip: request cart service for your return flight while arranging departure. They'll add it automatically. Here's where things get really interesting. Number 10. Skip luggage lines completely. Curbside check-in cuts wait times from 20 minutes to under 5. Mention you're over 65. Agents often provide priority treatment and extra assistance with heavy lifting. The magic phrase, "I'm a senior traveler and would appreciate any assistance you can provide." Pro tip: arrive 15 minutes before curbside officially opens. Agents often start early and you'll be first in line. Now let's unlock the fastest food strategy. Number 9. Restaurant phone-ahead ordering. Call airport restaurants directly and explain you're a senior traveler with limited mobility. Most will take your order over the phone and have it ready for pickup, bypassing entire ordering lines. Call 20 to 30 minutes before you plan to eat. Hudson News, Starbucks, and most sit-down restaurants participate. Pro tip: ask about call-ahead seating for your return flight. Many will put you on a priority list. But what about saving money while saving time? Number 8. Hidden senior discounts. Almost every airport shop offers senior discounts, 10 to 15%, but never advertises them. Simply ask at checkout, do you offer a senior discount? Present your ID confidently. This works at Hudson News, duty-free shops, electronic stores, and restaurants. Ask before they process payment, not after. Pro tip: combine with credit card rewards for double discounts on everything. Finding these shortcuts helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more insider airport tricks coming your way. The final shortcuts ahead are absolute game changers. Number 7. Priority boarding access. Approach the gate agent 20 minutes before boarding and say, I'm over 65 and would like to request pre-boarding assistance due to mobility concerns. This gets you on before Group 1, guaranteeing overhead bin space and time to settle without rushing. Pro tip: position yourself near the gate agent's podium 30 minutes early. They'll often invite you to pre-board without asking. Here's how to completely skip security stress. Number 6. Medical Equipment Fast Pass. Anyone carrying prescription medications qualifies for expedited security screening. Notify security immediately. I have medical items that require special screening assistance. They'll escort you to a separate area with faster processing and specially trained agents. Even reading glasses or magnifying glasses qualify. Pro tip: keep medications in original prescription bottles. This speeds verification dramatically. But what if you could skip most airport walking entirely? Number 5. Gate Change Early Warning System. Register for airport-specific alert systems for real-time gate change notifications that arrive faster than airline alerts. When changes happen, immediately request ground transportation from the nearest customer service desk. Say, I need assistance reaching my new gate due to the last-minute change. Pro tip: follow airport Twitter accounts for updates that arrive 10 to 15 minutes before official notifications. Here's the ultimate seating strategy. Number 4. Free seat upgrades. Call customer service 24 to 48 hours before departure and request seat changes due to mobility or medical needs. Airlines maintain holds on premium seats for last-minute accommodation requests. The magic phrase, I need to modify my seating due to age-related mobility concerns. Are there any aisle or extra legroom options available? Pro tip: make requests on different days. Seat availability changes constantly. Now for the ultimate time-saving strategy. Number 3. Document Fast Track Protocol. Arrive at a document check organized and say, I'm a senior traveler with medical considerations. Could you assist with expedited document review? This triggers senior assistance protocol with extra time for review without holding up lines. Agents often escort you to a separate area for thorough document review. Pro tip: print backup copies of all documents and keep them separate from originals. Here's the connection flight lifesaver. Number 2. Tight Connection Rescue Service. The moment you realize you have a tight connection, notify a flight attendant. I have a tight connection and need ground assistance upon arrival. They'll radio ahead to arrange an escort service that meets you at the jet bridge and transports you directly to your next gate. Pro tip: ask for this service even if your connection seems comfortable. Delays can turn reasonable connections into impossible sprints. And now for the ultimate game-changing shortcut. Number 1. Hidden Senior Concierge Service. Call your departure airport 48 hours before travel and ask for senior passenger services. They'll assign a dedicated representative who meets you at the curb, handles all check-in, escorts you through security, and delivers you directly to your gate. This service exists at every major airport but isn't advertised. The magic phrase, I'm requesting senior passenger assistance services for my upcoming flight. Pro tip: request this for both departure and arrival airports. Many offer connection assistance between cities. So, which shortcut shocked you the most? Have you ever scored free assistance just by asking? Drop your airport wins in the comments. I read every one. Still stressed about packing? Watch 10 items TSA will confiscate in 2025 next to avoid those costly security delays. Thanks for flying smarter with Passport Pro, and see you on the next trip.